So we are back with another hair video. So obviously this unit was sent to me from Nadula Hair Company, guys. Absolutely love this unit. I have this unit for almost 2 months now. This is the second install that you guys are going to see. So this unit to me is a pretty solid unit. If you're afraid of trying color in 2021, go ahead and take a little step into on the dark side, because this unit is definitely safe, pretty, and stylish at the same time. So I'll leave all the links down below per usual, guys, and hopefully you enjoy this video. So I want to quickly mention that this step right here is not necessary. Honestly and truly, you couldn't even see it once I applied it and I showed you guys the end result. I just did this because I really wanted to emphasize the parting space once I put the powder down. I felt because the base of this hair is so light, it kind of is close to my skin color. So I needed to do something just to give it like a little bit of a focal point. So I did try to add a little bit of this dark brow eyebrow gel just to emphasize the part so that you guys can see the powder more present. Guys, so this is the finished look of this unit right here. So this unit was sent to me from the Nadula Hair Company, guys. Now this originally came to me in a 14-inch, but I did go ahead and get scissor happy a little bit. So I did go ahead and cut this into like a nice 12-inch bob form. So if you want a style like this, I would say order this one in a 12-inch. Now this unit is very, very pretty, guys. One thing that I always say about these kind of blonde highlight units is that I wish the color would start a little bit higher up here and kind of thin the highlights out a little bit instead of being so chunky. But I do like this unit a lot. I've actually had this unit for over a month. This is my second install with this unit, and the first time I installed this unit, I did wear it in a side part. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I love the side part, but the middle part on this one is just absolutely strikingly bomb. So I really think that the middle part looks really, really good. As far as the parting space, I did add a little bit of my brow gel just to make the roots a little bit more prominent. So because how light this unit is, the powder wasn't really showing through. So adding my brow gel just to make like a little bit of a fake dark root right here, and then putting my powder just kind of opened the parting space up even more. So I think it looks way better like this. But like I said, guys, I'll turn around and show you what the back looks like. This is the color overall. If you turn on both sides, the color is very there. It's very nice. But like I said, I want them to start the color up a little bit higher up in this area. It is a nice lightweight bob, guys, and you guys can see I did kind of, you know, buffer up a little bit and make her look nice and bullish and stuff like that. So it looks like it has a lot of volume. Just using a small little comb, just getting it nice in there. So this unit overall, I think the style is very, very nice and trendy. Definitely a transitional unit, guys. Spring's in a few months, summer's in a few months, so you can kind of transition your way through with this unit. So all in all, I think that this is a fabulous unit, guys. I'll leave all the information down below per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.